What's shaking in the metaverse? We've got SEC Chairman Paul Atkins dropping truth bombs on crypto, and you won't believe what he said. Plus, OCC Head Jonathan Gould is making waves for banks, and we've got the hottest crypto stocks you need to know. You don't want to miss this. Hit that subscribe button and ring the bell. And if that wasn't enough, we're diving deep into the latest market movers. Which cryptocurrency stocks are set to explode? We've got the inside scoop on Robinhood Markets, Galaxy Digital, and Bitfarms, breaking down why they're on our radar today. Get ready for some serious financial insights. Then, we're heading overseas for some major international crypto news. Zodia Custody, backed by Standard Chartered, is reportedly exiting its Japan joint venture with SBI Holdings. We'll break down what this means for the global crypto landscape and why this partnership couldn't get off the ground. So buckle up, because this is MetaVerse Update, and we're bringing you the biggest stories shaping the future of digital finance. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and smash that notification bell so you never miss an update. Let's get into it. SEC Chairman Paul Atkins declares crypto's moment is now. This is huge news for the digital asset space. SEC Chairman Paul Atkins has officially stated that crypto's time has come, signaling a significant shift in regulatory perspective. After years of policy being shaped by ad hoc enforcement actions, Atkins announced that the SEC will now focus on providing clear, predictable rules of the road for the crypto industry. This initiative, dubbed Project Crypto, aims to bring much-needed certainty to the status of crypto assets, with Atkins asserting that most crypto tokens are not securities. The goal is to empower entrepreneurs to raise capital on-chain without facing endless legal uncertainty, and to foster innovation in trading platforms that offer greater choice to market participants. Atkins also touched upon agentic finance, where AI agents execute trades, highlighting its potential for faster, cheaper, and more accessible markets, provided common-sense guardrails are in place and regulatory obstructions are removed. This proactive stance from the SEC signals a commitment to American leadership in on-chain capital markets and agentic finance. The recent joint statement with the CFTC and the aim to harmonize regulations further underscore this push for clarity and strength in U.S. capital markets. This declaration is already creating a buzz, with many in the crypto community expressing optimism about the potential for clearer regulatory pathways. Analysts are watching closely to see how these clear, predictable rules will actually be implemented and what impact they will have on innovation and investment. Don't go anywhere, because the regulatory landscape just got a lot more interesting. Next up, we're hearing from the OCC's Jonathan Gould on whether banks can finally dive headfirst into crypto. Banks get the green light for crypto, says OCC Head Gould. In a major development for traditional finance, controller of the currency Jonathan Gould has declared that crypto-related activities for banks are legally permissible and should no longer be stigmatized. Speaking at a CoinDesk event, Gould emphasized that the technology and processes behind crypto are fundamental to financial intermediation services. He assured that the OCC intends to work closely with interested parties to chart a path for these activities to be conducted in a safe and sound manner, fulfilling their obligation as supervisors. Gould acknowledged the validity of debanking complaints from the crypto community, stating it's a real phenomenon. The OCC has taken steps to depoliticize banking and end the weaponization of the financial system, aiming to root out unlawful debanking and discrimination. Gould's background, including his time at a blockchain firm and previous roles at the OCC, suggests a potentially more favorable regulatory environment for digital assets, easing the path for both banks and new digital upstarts. This stance is being met with enthusiasm from the banking sector, eager to engage with digital assets, while also signaling a potential end to the arbitrary rejection of crypto-related businesses by financial institutions. But is it all smooth sailing for crypto adoption? We'll explore that and more when we break down the top crypto stocks to watch right now. Your crypto stock watch list: Robinhood, Galaxy Digital, and Bitfarms on alert. For all you investors looking to ride the crypto wave without directly holding digital assets, we've got your essential stock rundown. Today, Our MetaVerse Update stock screener highlights Robinhood Markets, Galaxy Digital, and Bitfarms as the top cryptocurrency stocks to keep an eye on. These companies, whose business models are deeply intertwined with digital assets, offer investors indirect exposure to the volatile yet exciting crypto market. Their performance often mirrors the broader crypto sentiment, but also dances to the tune of traditional equity market risks. We're pinpointing these three because they've recently seen the highest dollar trading volume, indicating significant investor interest and market activity. Robinhood Markets, the popular commission-free trading platform, continues to expand its offerings to include cryptocurrencies. Galaxy Digital is a diversified financial services and investment management company focused on the digital asset ecosystem, covering trading, principal investment, and mining. And Bitfarms is a significant player in cryptocurrency mining, operating server farms that validate transactions on the Bitcoin blockchain. These are the companies making moves in the public markets that you need to know about. Investors are buzzing about the potential for these stocks to capture upside from the crypto market's growth, especially with the recent regulatory clarity signals. However, remember these are still subject to market volatility and traditional stock market pressures. Now, what happens when a major crypto venture hits a roadblock? We're investigating a high-profile joint venture that's reportedly calling it quits. Major crypto JV disses Japan. Zodia Custody and SBI Holdings part ways. In a surprising turn of events, Zodia Custody, a venture backed by financial giant Standard Chartered, has reportedly ended its joint venture in Japan with SBI Holdings, known as SBI Zodia Custody, just 2 years after its inception. The collaboration, where SBI held a 51% stake and Zodia 49%, reportedly stalled due to a lack of progress with Japan's Financial Services Agency, FSA, regarding local registration. Zodia CEO Julian Sawyer cited a mutual strategic alignment, stating both parties have other priorities. Japan's stringent regulatory environment, still cautious after past scandals like MT, GOX, and the DMM Bitcoin breach, presents a challenging entry point for foreign crypto firms despite the FSA's stated aim to encourage blockchain innovation. SBI indicated this dissolution reflects a shift in its digital strategy, not a retreat from custody services or its Asian ambitions, but rather a proactive decision aimed at pursuing group-wide synergies with greater speed. Zodia Custody echoed this sentiment, emphasizing that its broader Asian strategy remains intact and highlighting recent expansion in the Middle East. This move underscores the complexities and hurdles international crypto companies face when navigating distinct regulatory landscapes, even with strong backing. This news has sparked discussions about the difficulties of market entry in regulated Asian jurisdictions and the strategic pivots companies are forced to make. It also raises questions about the future of institutional crypto services in Japan. And that's a wrap on our top stories for today. Stick around for a lightning recap and our full call to action. And that's all the time we have for today's MetaVerse update. We covered SEC Chairman Paul Atkins declaring crypto's time has come, OCC Head Jonathan Gould giving banks the green light for crypto activities, the top crypto stocks like Robinhood, Galaxy Digital, and Bitfarms to watch, and the surprising exit of Zodia Custody's Japan joint venture with SBI Holdings. Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel for all your metaverse and crypto news, and ring that notification bell so you never miss an update. Follow us on all social platforms for more insights. We'll see you in the next one.